let me see if the thing's on. Yes, it is. So, doing grass with my finger, part 1. So, I am going to do grass with my finger, which is kind of gonna be okay. This is way too, you know what I mean? Way too thin. Yeah, this is like it, more like it. Okay, I like the grass that I'm making with my finger, just that it's a bit more difficult. Now, I'm gonna do some shades, just that I need to finish until I make some. Okay. Now I can make like very like shadows of that, you know. This actually looks kind of good. Now let's get a different color, like green, but technically like lighter green, and let's see how that, yeah, that goes beautifully. So let's just use some lighter green too. Yeah, here we go. Now let's make the light green, like literally like, yeah, this is some nice grass. Now let's go. I'm going to make the sun. I should make it bigger though. Yeah. And I actually don't know how to make the sun, but make this. I make this instead. I know someone said my art sucks, but I don't care about that because I know my art sucks already, so you don't have to tell me that, do you? I wish I could just do something with the sun, like got an idea. I could have just put some warm fire like this, like. By the way, I'm using my finger, so I'm bad. You know, like I'm bad with my finger, you know what I'm talking about? I'm really, really bad with my finger. Now I'm gonna use some of this. Oh, you're right, I forgot. But this still looks good. The sun looks so good though. I kind of like it. Just that if you guys don't like it, I don't care. Okay, here we go, the sun. Now I'm gonna draw a trunk. Okay, so guys, I'm literally just gonna draw this real quick with the bucket, cause yeah, and then I'm gonna use some highlights, cause at least I can use highlights in this. This actually looks kind of good when you do that. Maybe I should just make like blur. Yeah, blur. I need to blur it a little bit so it looks gooder. Okay, great. I have to smudge, maybe. Yeah, this is so good. To me, it is. Yeah, this actually looks kind of good to me. Yeah, that looks good. Now, I'm going to make it brown actually, and just, oh, you're right. God, okay, whatever. I'm just gonna make it a bit more oranger. Yeah, now I'm gonna use the blur again. Yeah, I kind of like it, and I only use my finger. See you guys later. Bye.